Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make roasted fish with a spice paste. It's a different way to make fish in the oven and comes out very tasty. I'll put a link to all of the ingredients right below this video in the description section. For the spice paste, we'll need fresh lime juice, tomato paste, garlic, ginger, red onion, and dry spices, salt, ground turmeric, coriander powder, chili powder, and smoked paprika or Kashmiri chili powder. I'll grind all of this to a fine paste. I'm using whole fish. These are 2 mackerel. Mackerel is an oily fish rich with omega-3 fatty acids. It's good for your skin, high in vitamin D, B12, B6, a very nutritious fish. Compared to other fish, it's also inexpensive. Mackerel has a strong flavor, and if you don't like it, use red snapper, bass, or any fish you like. These weigh a total of 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds. They've been cleaned outside and inside, the tail cut off and the head intact. If you don't want to see the head, get the fish without it. Roasting fish whole is an easy way to cook fish, and the flesh stays soft since it's on the bone. Score the fish a few times, shallow cuts, not all the way to the bone. Pat the fish dry outside and inside. Here's our spice paste with the garlic, ginger, onion, dried spices, lime juice, and a teaspoon of vegetable oil. I ground everything in my food processor. Rub the paste all over the fish. Get it in the slits. Rub it on the inside, place the fish in a bowl, cover and marinate in the fridge for 30 minutes. Heat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Spread vegetable oil on a baking tray. I'm using foil, but it is easier to put the fish directly on the oiled tray. Fish does have a tendency to stick to the foil or pan, and it's easier to scrape the fish off a tray than foil. You just have a little bit more cleanup. Cook the fish in the top rack of your heated oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what the fish looks like. Drizzle some oil over the top of the fish. Put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes or until the fish is cooked. Now the fish is cooked, use a steel spatula to get under the fish. Use a second spatula to hold it and transfer to a serving plate. As I was scraping the fish, the foil did of course tear, but it didn't stick to the fish. Again, just cook the fish directly on a baking tray and you don't have to worry about the foil. It's flaky and juicy, perfectly cooked fish. And you see the paste stayed on the fish. It's browned a little and is delicious with a slight smoky flavor. The flesh comes off the bone easily. The fish looks beautiful served whole this way. As always, I hope you try this recipe out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.